So when you click on the link taxfiling.dexteritas.ca, it brings you straight to this page that says it's time to file your 2023 taxes. You know we are thinking about your refund too, right? Now, following through the instructions, you can see that this is where you sign up with this form. And on this form, you give us your name, email address, and phone number, and then you tell us whether you want us to prepare a return for yourself and your spouse or yourself alone. Now, as part of this, you need to tell us, okay, what are your income streams? Employment income, or if you have investments that yield dividends and interests, or if you have business income or rental income, or if you have stocks and bonds, or as well as income support. Then lastly, you also tell us about the credits that you're claiming, whether you're taking RSPs or charitable donations and such. Now, in the event that your situation is kind of different, take a look at that box down there that says others. Kindly tell us what is in that box. And that's the first page. On the second screen, you see the service selection that we have. We have a very rich selection of services to support your personal tax aspirations. And here you'll be selecting what exactly you want us to do for you as far as your personal income tax is concerned. The first option there is if you want us to prepare your personal tax and you're a single person. If you're married or you're filing with your spouse or partner, you choose the second option. Now, those two, you must choose at least one of those two at any given time. Now, if you have a business that you run in your personal name, that is what is known as a trade name or a sole proprietorship, you will add that, and you can choose whether you have one or more of those. Right? Now, if you have a rental property, you will add rental, and if you have more than one of those, you can choose the number. Now, the others are additional services that are supposed to support you. For example, if you want us to look into your personal tax situation and say, hey, what would it look like, or what are the things that you need to do to save on taxes with 2024 in mind, then you check the pre-plan your taxes. And if you are concerned that you may find yourself in an audit situation and you don't want to have to deal with it, and the information is what you've provided to us as well, then you can choose the audit support option. We will go ahead and take care of any questions that may come up after we have filed your returns. The other two options are if you want us to review your CRA account every month on an ongoing basis till December, we can go ahead and do that. And the last one will be for our Canadian income tax costs. Paying for it from here would give you a discount because on our website it currently sells for $200 United States dollars. So that's what we have on this page. Once you're done selecting your options, you will see what your bill is, and then you can make payments via credit card, right? And that's pretty much where that ends. And then once you make payment, you get to the next screen, which is where you will schedule your appointment. Here on this next screen, you choose when you want us to file your tax returns. We have appointments available every business day of the week, from Monday to Friday, and there are 3 slots every day, or 4 slots every day rather. So you select the time, the date, and the time that you want us to meet to discuss your tax returns. Now, please note, during this meeting, we will not be preparing your tax returns. We will be reviewing our prepared tax returns with you and answering any questions that we may have. This is not necessarily a consultation. This is more like a review of what has been done already. And once that review process is concluded, we will get your authorization to file your tax returns, and we'll file it. But this is the third step. This is the third screen. Once you select the appointment date, we get a notification, and then we can proceed from there. This final screen is to provide you the guidance that you need to prepare for the appointment, right? We have an explainer video talking through what the checklist shows and how to prepare. We also have another explainer video talking about how you use the spreadsheets that will send you for income statement preparation, whether it's for your property or for your business. Our goal is to make this process as detailed and as beneficial as possible. It's a bit of work to get all this information, but it's more important to us that you get every dollar of refund that is due to you based on your situation. So with this done, that's pretty much it, and we'll be looking to review your tax returns with you. Thanks.